Tara, and we're in Canmore in one of the most beautiful parts of all of Canada. Located in the heart of the Canadian Rocky Mountains, we're close to Calgary and even closer to Banff. And Canmore is a must-visit spot for anyone that's coming to Alberta. I'm going to show you what makes this town so special and how to enjoy the great outdoors. Let's go. Like many small mountain towns, Canmore started out as a mining operation, named by the Canadian Pacific Railway after King Malcolm III of Scotland. Translated from Gaelic, Canmore means great head or chief, and you can find a tribute to that name here at the Big Head sculpture in town. The economic future of the town remained uncertain until the announcement of the 1988 Winter Olympics in Calgary. Canmore hosted the biathlon and cross-country skiing events at the Games, and it truly transformed the vibe of the town and turned it into the tourist destination that it is today. The Grizzly Paw Brewing Company is a favorite local spot to hang out and grab a pint. There's a location here on Main Street with a wicked patio and another brewery just up the road where the beer is made. So we're gonna head up there, chat with a team member, and learn all about it. We're here at the Grizzly Paw Brewery. I'm with Dominique, and we're going to chat everything beer and the story of the Grizzly Paw.
The Grizzly Paw Pub downtown opened as a brew pub about 25 years ago in a little place called Canmore, Alberta. We have 4 different collections, if you will. So we have our Founder Series, that's our tried and true, it's been made for 25 years, approachable craft beers. We also have our Summit Series that are a bit more contemporary recipes, a little bit more hop forward. We also have our barrel beers. That series is aged in our barrel cellar in different barrels. So we have bourbon barrels, tequila barrels, wine barrels, and our beers are aged in there for 6 to 12 months.
I heard you also make some soda. Is that true?
That's true. So we have been making soda for about 15 years. Our soda is made with possibly the freshest water on the continent and real cane sugar. So that's the sugar that your grandmother keeps in her pantry. And it's made in small batches right here in Canmore. We also have a restaurant up here where we serve hand-tossed pizzas.
I can smell something incredible cooking outside. What is that and where can I get it?
That's right, so we slow smoke brisket for about 12 hours every day at 210 degrees, and we serve it both here at Tank 310 or at our pub downtown.
Amazing. We saw the brisket go by. It was the most meat I've ever seen in one spot. It looks incredible. Beer and brisket, I think, is on the brain for the rest of the day.
So when your legs are tired, you can always come here at Tank 310 and enjoy one of the 12 beers that we have on tap, or come over for a brewery tour to learn more how we make beer here at the Grizzly Paw.
And this is Canmore through and through.
That's true. We are part of the fabric of the community.
Check out this view here from the Grizzly Paw patio. Honestly, one of the best spots to enjoy the scenery here in Canmore. We had a great visit and now we're gonna go explore. Just had a great walk down the main street of Canmore, and we're gonna head over to Rebound Cycle to pick up a fat tire bike. So we're not hiking, we're not mountain biking, but we're fat tire biking, and I'm excited to check it out. So I'm here with Mikhail at Rebound Cycle. He's gonna teach me everything I need to know and then some, so I can blend in as a local in Canmore fat tire biking today. I've never been before. I feel okay, a little bit nervous still. So what can I expect?
I'm sure you'll do fine. You've done a little bit of mountain biking, so you'll see that it'll feel quite natural being on the fat bike. It'll feel a little bit different because of the bigger tires. However, you'll see that you'll soon get used to it. It's a different experience completely. You're able to see a lot more in a shorter amount of time. We have hundreds of kilometers of trails accessible directly from Rebound Cycle or from Canmore. So you have the Nordic Center, which has also 100 kilometers of trails. You have family-friendly trails right by the river here, from family, from little children, so beginner, intermediate, and expert trails.
Woo! We're back here at Rebound Cycle, and I have to say Canmore on 2 wheels is the way to do it. We had beautiful scenery, saw some wildlife, and I got so much fresh air. I highly recommend it. Next, we're gonna go see Rebecca, have a little stroll, and check out more of the town.
So, 'cause, 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 '
Canmore is a destination that is jam-packed with opportunities for outdoor activity, from hiking to biking to climbing to anything to do with the trail. There's actually 71 kilometers worth of trails, all attached and accessible from the town center. So what better way to explore and get to know the place than with a mountain enthusiast and hiking extraordinaire, Rebecca Kelman from Darken the Mountains, and she's gonna show me around.
I got into rock climbing. I took a course in Edmonton, and I remember I couldn't unbend my arms the next day, and I was like, I love this sport. I'm dedicated to it. And I took a lead course, and it brought me out to Canmore. I wanted to get more involved in the rock climbing community, and they welcomed me with open arms, and I just never left. I love hiking. I love bringing out new people to come hiking because the outdoors is for anybody. So even just walking on a trail like this can bring people out, bring people together, learn new stories. This past summer I did a bi walk, so Black, Indigenous, women of color. Bringing accessibility was really a big part for Darken the Mountains for me. Being able to drive out here, get skis, get a lesson, get equipment, can be difficult for some people, so being able to give that was really great. From hiking to climbing to biking to skating to even just walking on a trail. So much to do in this small town, so.
Beautiful backyard.
Yes.
I had a great day exploring today in Canmore, and thank you so much, Rebecca, for being a part of it. This is magic, so thank you for sharing it with me.
Yeah, thank you guys for having me. Hope to see you guys out on the trails here in Canmore. It's a beautiful place to visit. Yeah.
See you soon.